network tekwata. Kumbe Kevin afulumye. Kyokka jjajja yagamba nti Kevin tateekeddwa kubeera bweru kubanga bw'abeera bweru kamunyezi mulya.
I love listening to you, Frank.
Njaga nnyo okuwuliza Frank. Gwe shirika tuula bwaki.
No, not you, Frank. No.
Kigwe Frank, kigwe gwe ngamba otuula.
Frank, if I make it down to
kali kamunye neerengera.
It would be a mistake to back out. Because, Frank, for so many years you have me with your beautiful words and
amazima gani nti Frank
I'm on the phone. I think it's time that
kumbe kamunyeje
your words is
era by'omunyama
so rich with
bana yitufudde.
I think that we should all be privy to and
banange
Frank, I just
Frank
I just be happy. Frank, give me that dog.
Tebamutute
Frank, for you to hold on just a second.
wamachokolideko
Give me that dog.
ono goleta makuja y'omuntu kadati yakocha kimuye gyakanyega mute ne bakata nakakwatira wano kalina gyakwata essimu ye.
So sorry.
Wamono osonyiwa Frank.
Oh, now, listen, Frank.
Uliza Frank.
I don't want to.
Kumbe kamunye komawo.
This is your legacy.
Naduka.
And I think it's up to you to present
banange.
The world. And
tufude Frank.
Call me tomorrow with your decision.
Kamunye.
On all this time. Okay, bye-bye. No, wait.
Ate kamunye teyabba simu. Kyokate Frank ali ku simu.
No. Take the dog.
Jangu otwale magujayo. Mpe simu yange twala magujayo.
Take the dog.
Twala maguja mpe simu yange.
Take the dog.
Twala maguja.
Take it.
Twala maguja mpe simu yange. Kali bano baba bali ebbali balowooza azanya ne maguja. Kumbe maguja agiwayo bamuwe simu ye.
Hey guys, you seem
mundabideko
She's playing with Kevin.
waya azanya ne Kevin.
Will you go get her, Andy? We have a whole day planned.
Genda omuleete Andy kubanga twamplaningidde olunaku lwonna tulina ogezaako okuba naye. Tulina surprise gye twamutegekedde. Lwoli kwe kwate kuba gyakashikane.
Please just give me my phone.
Mpe simu yange kwata maguja.
What are you doing?
Okola ki maama?
Your grandmother was completely right.
Jjajjawo yabadde mutuufu.
And then I saved him. And then it came.
Kamunye abadde atwala maguja. Bwe ntaasiza maguja ate atutte essimu yange.
I'm serious. He's got my phone.
Ndi serious atutte essimu yange.
Relax, all right? We'll order another phone, same number.
Tugenda kukola order y'essimu tufune n'ennamba endala.
Oh, okay.
Kale.
All right. Well,
kati gwe ndowooza oli shefu genda.
You have to get ready.
Olina okwetegeka.
Going out with Mom and the girls.
Maama akutwala n'abasigadde.
And a surprise.
Balina surprise ng'ogasseko ne shopping.
You're going.
Olina okulambula akafo kono kyagala kulambula.
You are.
I'm not going.
Ogenda kono sigenda.
We don't think we're fighting.
Jangu mpa akafumito kyagala balowooze nti tuyomba.
I don't want.
Mpa akafumito.
There we go.
Asaba kampaka. Nyweza ate njagala ogonde.
Yeah. There we go. Isn't that nice?
N'akuba ne katofaali ssebo. Pupupu.
Touch my ass one more time.
Boddamu okwata katofaali kange.
Falls off in your sleep.
Ngenda kusalako emipiira nga weebashe. Owulidde?
Alrighty then. We clear on that?
Owulidde ku kyeggambye nti ye.
Such a good fiance.